Hi, Kristen. I just changed my free um, recorder here, and I had a paid account, and this is the first time I've used it since I've gone back to their free version, and everything's changed in how this works, and so I can't figure out quite how to do the video, but I'll try it again and upload it this time and give you a link. But this is what I see over here. Okay, I'm going to go to Course Tools. Then I'm going to go down to Content Market Tools. And this is what I get when I get there. Okay, it shows me my class section. Of course, I click on Cengage. And it used to be that I got, instruction. It was very clear way to set up my class and copy the other class over. That's what I used to do. Is copy I want to copy the section from last summer, and there's nothing. I mean, there's nothing here to do that. So anyway, that's what I see. And I had the same problem last summer. Exactly. It just started. I mean, I don't know how many years I've been doing this, but it's all new unless I'm not doing the right process. Um, I'll give I don't have Firefox on my computer. I'll get try if that changes anything. I've always used Chrome in the past. Okay, all right, thanks.